Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device and plan are ready. Check that your phone supports 5G and is updated to the latest firmware. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, confirm your Jio account has a 5G-enabled plan and sufficient balance. Insert the Jio SIM into the primary slot, then enable VO LTE and mobile data in settings. Once done, restart your phone so the network provisions the SIM. This step forces the carrier to register your device for 5G service. Now you configure how the phone connects. Open mobile network settings and set preferred network type to 5G/4G/3G or 5G auto so the phone can fall back when needed. Make sure carrier settings are updated. If data fails, manually confirm the Jio APN matches their specifications. Apply changes and restart the phone to let the system re-register. Watch the status bar for the 5G icon. If it shows, you're on the right path. If not, test in a known 5G coverage spot. Finish by validating performance. Run a speed test to confirm higher throughput and lower latency. Record download and upload Mbps so you know what to expect. If 5G doesn't appear, toggle airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, or switch network mode between 5G and 4G, then retry in another nearby location. Make sure to update carrier settings and OS. If problems persist, contact Jio support to confirm your SIM is provisioned for 5G and that your address has active 5G coverage. This single check often fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.